Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to paint and refinish furniture. First thing you'll need to do is sand down the piece of furniture. In my case, it is this table that I am working on. You'll want to use a medium grit sandpaper. So anywhere between 100 to 180 should be just fine. When you're sanding, you'll want to just scuff up the surface. You do not have to completely remove the wood stain as we will be painting over it. Sanding just helps the paint adhere to the surfaces better. Once you're done sanding, you'll want to wipe down the table and lay down some painter's plastic. Once the table is dry, you will want to start applying primer. I find that applying thin layers as opposed to thick globs of paint works so much better to avoid those really visible brush strokes. So now this is what the table looked like after one coat of primer. And I went ahead and applied a second coat of primer off camera. And this is what the table looked like. After 2 coats of primer, the table was ready for some paint. I used the Rustoleum white in a matte finish. So I highly recommend using a face mask just to avoid the amount of fumes you're inhaling whilst using the spray paint. And I also suggest that you work in a ventilated area. That way you're also reducing the amount of fumes you're taking in. So I used 2 coats of the spray paint and then moved on to a protective finish. So for this protective finish, I used the Minwax Polycrylic. I also used the Minwax brush that came recommended with the Polycrylic. Now, the protective layer is a very important step, and this helps just to prolong the use of your furniture. So when applying Polycrylic, you will want to mix it up first and put it into a small container, a small manageable container. And when applying the Polycrylic, you will want to use long strokes, as short strokes will not really give you the smooth finish that you're looking for. So ideally, you will want to apply 3 coats of the Polycrylic. So after 3 coats of the Polycrylic, this is what the table looked like. And now this is what the table looked like with the glass inserts put into it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more content that I will share.